Now we're going to talk about the Bitcoin blockchain ledger. This is something we've already covered, so I'm not going to go into too much more depth on it. The way to think about the blockchain and this idea of a ledger is that you've got a big book, which is your ledger book. And it contains all your transactions. Each page in this book contains 10 minutes of transactions. Page 1, page 2 contains 10 to 20, next one 20 to 30. Okay, and all the transaction data is public. So the from information, the address, the to information, the address, how much Bitcoin was sent, and what people can do is they also know obviously the time. People can look up what else has this person done? What else has this person done? So they can see all other activity done by this address, by this address. They can also see the total amount in this address. So there's websites that actually show who are the wealthiest addresses on Bitcoin. So pretty much everything is public, and that's why Bitcoin is called pseudo-anonymous instead of totally anonymous, because your address is a pseudonym. And that can be tracked back to, well, how did you originally get that Bitcoin? Did you buy it on Coinbase? If so, a government can go to Coinbase and say, hey, we want all your transaction logs. And they can look up that you're the one who bought that Bitcoin on Coinbase, and then you sent that Bitcoin to Bob. And if Bob is a criminal, then now you're involved potentially in that investigation. So Bitcoin is not a totally private cryptocurrency, and there are other ones that do keep all of this information private. And Bitcoin is probably never going to implement those sort of privacy features. So Bitcoin does pretty much allow you to see everything that's going on. You just don't have real names associated with the to and from addresses. But there's a lot of analysis that's possible to figure out who is behind a Bitcoin address.